In our school, many students struggle to keep haircut. Some do not have enough time, some cannot afford regular haircuts, and others have no nearby place to go. Because of this, they often feel less confident and sometimes fail to meet school grooming rules.
To help solve this problem, the school created the Campus Gupit Project, affordable haircuts for male students. This project aims to train selected students in basic haircutting and provide low-cost, safe, and accessible haircut service inside the campus.
What the problem does. The project includes training students in haircutting and sanitation. They learn how to handle tools properly, follow city steps, and even clean simple haircuts. After training, a campus haircut booth is set up and open twice a week.
I really appreciate this project. Sometimes my hair gets too long because I'm busy. Now it's easier and cheaper to get haircut.
What are the benefits and the impact of this project? The haircut booth uses a donation-based systems, so every male student can afford it. So with this program, many students now look more neat and feel more confident and follow grooming standard that's better for the students. So the stylist also can be gain useful skill and they can use in the research.
The Campus Gupit project proves that a simple idea can create a big chance by offering affordable and accessible haircuts. Our school supports students' grooming, confidence, and overall well-being.